What's the chance of your boss coming to you with a pay rise? If the answer is 0, zilch, zip or nil, then you need to be the one to take action. Look, no doubt about it, it's not easy going to your boss and asking for more money. And a survey by ME Bank found only 1 in 10 Aussies have hit the boss for more pay. But those that did scored a 75% strike rate. Now, the key to make it easier is a blend of planning, homework and good timing. And the first step is knowing what the market is doing. There are plenty of recruitment firms that publish salary guides that show you how your pay compares to market salaries for your job and your location. Or check out sites like PayScale for hourly rates. It's research that can help you put your argument together. Now next, you've got to create a compelling case. You need to make a list of recent achievements and any extra duties you've taken on. It all adds a tick in your bid for a pay rise. Strengthen your argument by putting in a value of the contributions you made. So let's say you may have taken time to cut the monthly reports by say 5%. Or maybe you've satisfied 98% of customer queries. Whatever you've achieved, write it down, be specific. And finally, pick your timing with care. A pay rise request on or before a work anniversary, maybe a budget sign-off or at the end of the financial year can make great sense. Never try and squeeze mention of a pay rise at the end of some other meeting. You've got to actually put time aside, show the boss that this is serious. Now, some firms can't generally afford a pay hike, so don't give up though. Think about other options, like a day or two from working from home each week, or maybe reducing your working hours from 5 days to 4 days without reducing your pay. Now that could be just as valuable.